Quotation marks show dialogue and citations. This is lesson 20 in the Architecture of Grammar. My name is Léandre Larouche. I'm the author of the Architecture of Grammar and the founder of Trivium Writing. In this video, we're going to talk about quotation marks and how we use them in writing to show either dialogue or citation. So quotation marks go like this. At least that's the case in the United States. In other countries, such as in Britain and Australia, we're using single quotation marks, and there are some slight differences between where the punctuation goes, whether inside or outside. But this is the quoted area. So what it means to quote is to show that somebody else has said what is in here. So in the case of a dialogue, it would be if we are writing a piece of fiction and a character is saying something. So we're reporting what is being said by the character. And so that's direct discourse. So we are reporting directly what they are saying. We could also report indirectly what they are saying by saying that, say, John said that, blah, blah, blah. That would be indirect discourse. But if I say, go away, John said, that is direct discourse. It goes inside the quotation marks. So a lot of the time, if your sentence, if it's a full sentence and it ends, you can put the period inside. However, if you're just quoting, if that's just one part of the sentence and it's not a full sentence, then you can put the period after. Now, there are many different ways to show citation, show dialogue in our writing, and we go over all of these different ways in the book, The Architecture of Grammar. But to give you a brief overview, one of the examples that we give in the book is something along the lines of Léandre said that New York is a great city. So if I said, okay, Léandre said that New York is a great city, then I would put the period here and I would have nothing. So my connecting word is that. Now, with that being said, if I didn't have that, if I just said, if I just wrote Léandre said, I would put a comma here. Léandre said New York City is a great city. Or it could also be New York City is a great city, said Léandre. So putting this at the end, or I could also do I could start the sentence, I could start the citation here. New York City, Léandre said, and then period, and then start again and say, okay, so you probably can't see really well at the bottom, but New York City, Léandre said, open quotation again, and then is a great city. So I'm just going to rewrite it here so that you can see very well. So New York, Léandre said. Actually, it would be a comma here, is a great city. So these are some examples of how you can use, how you can show dialogue and citation in your writing using quotation marks and using the appropriate punctuation marks. And so you can see all the different variations in lesson 20 in the Architecture of Grammar. You can also work through the exercises and make sure that you understand very, very well how to use quotation marks and dialogue and in citation in your writing.